What's up, everyone? This is day one of Amazon Prime Day, July 11th and 12th. So this is day one, bright and early in the morning. If I look tired, it's because I am. I got up at 4 a.m. to start researching some deals to bring to you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into the computer right away so I can feature these deals. I found a bunch of them right off the bat, right in the car detailing specific industries. So I think this will be really good for you guys. So let's jump in. All right, guys. So here we are, homepage of Amazon Prime. Again, Prime Day. Obviously, the Amazon branded products are on big sales, but let's go ahead and start off with tab number one. This is going to be an awesome item, the Sunjo SPX 3000. This thing is well known in the detailing industry. Been around for a while now. This is one of those ones you're going to have to use an adapter for the hose. If you want to upgrade your hose, you're going to have to use an adapter. But this thing is 30% off right now, bringing it down to $118. Fantastic deal here. Bringing us to item number two is going to be another pressure washer. And this one, I haven't tested this one specifically, but I have tested the exact same model in a different casing. And from Greenworks, I love Greenworks products. I think their pressure washers are fantastic. And this thing, 1600 PSI, 1.2 GPM rated, right? That's not what you're actually getting in the useful, actual use case. But still, you're gonna get decent numbers out of this for $54.99, guys. This thing is a phenomenal value. I would definitely check this one out. Now, again, I'm gonna have everything linked down in the description for you guys, so you don't have to worry about trying to search this stuff up. Just go down to the description, click on it, it'll take you right to the deal so you can get this and don't miss out. Now, moving on, we have one more pressure washer, and this is going to be the Adams 2.0. Great little pressure washer unit here. Fantastic components that it comes with, the hose, the pressure washer wand. Really good, 15% off, bringing it to $305.99. Moving on from there, let's see here, what do we have up next? Polishers. So the Adams SK Pro 15 millimeter polisher. Great little polisher here. This thing's 22% off, bringing you down to $202. Again, a very, very good value here. This is a fantastic polisher, guys. 15 millimeter throw is my preferred rotation mechanism. Basically, you can usually go 8 millimeter, 15 millimeter, or 21 millimeter typically. 15 is my go-to, is what I use all the time. And as you can see in the picture here, really, really cool feature where you can actually disconnect the plug. I don't know why more polishing companies don't do this. That's a number one fail point. Usually you wrap your cord up, that gets bent right there, right where it connects into the machine, and it fails over time. The fact that you can just unplug it and keep that cord perfect is awesome. So really, really cool polisher there. Let's keep moving on. The Meguiar's Professional MT300. I don't have a lot of experience with this one, but I have to say at $215, I would go with the Adams instead. As you can see here, they're listing it at 39% off. They're saying the normal list price is $349. However, if you go to Meguiar's website, if you buy direct from them, it's $299. So it's not a true 39% off. It's still really good value, right? Still a much better deal than $299. But just keep that in mind. For me personally, I would go with the Adams. But if you are a Meguiar's fan and you want this machine, or you've been looking at this machine, now's a good time to buy it. Now we've got another machine. This is a basic 8 millimeter throw polisher. It's a great beginner's polisher. This one's from Chemical Guys. This is their Torx 8 millimeter, and this is on sale for $139.99. It already comes with the Velcro hook and loop backing plate, and it comes with 3 pads, and then you get 4 samples of their V line of polishes. Now, personally, not a fan of their V line of polishes. I don't like them personally, but maybe something good for you to start out with and try and kind of get an idea of what you like and don't like. So the machine, though, is good, and their pads are good. I like their pads. So a good deal there as well. Moving right along, also some pads from Lake Country. So this is their CCS pad. These things are great. I love these pads. They have them in every single, you can get them as a mix pack. You can get there we go, black finishing pads, orange light cutting pads, white polishing pads, and the yellow cutting pad. You can get them in 5.5 and 6.5 inch. They are 20% off. Let's see, I just want to make sure 20% off across the board it looks like. So great deal there. If you need some pads, go look at those. Next up, we got some soaps. We have a good old Meguiar's Gold Class. We got a gallon size for $24.65. This one's a little bit of a back and forth for me because you can get the 64 ounce. I think it's 64 ounce at like Walmart for $10 or something like that. So you double that up. I don't know. It's still a fantastic deal, but I know they have other prices at Walmart. Let's just do a really quick search real quick. Walmart, Meguiar's, Gold, Class, and see, yeah, 967. Oh, for 48 ounces. 48 ounces, I stand corrected. So, yeah, that one on Amazon is still a good deal. So, definitely worth checking out there, guys. Yeah, I think that's still a fantastic deal. Meguiar's Gold Class car wash soap. Foams well, tons of lubrication. I like that soap a lot. Moving on from there, we have Mr. Pink coming in at 30% off to $27.99 for the gallon size. Now, for me personally, I like that soap a lot as well. However, between the two of them at $27.99 or the Meguiar's at $24.65, I would just go with the Meguiar's. That's just my personal choice on that if I was looking at both of those. From there, good old Adams Mega Foam. If you're one of those people that love a ton of foam, if you're using the MJJC that I sell on my site, and you pair it with this stuff, it's crazy how thick of the foam you're gonna get. But even if you're just using a cheap foam cannon, using this soap will increase your foam production. It's very, very concentrated, has a lot of foaming ability, and it is, let's see here, what's the discount on this stuff? 15 to 19, 20% off. So 20% off, you can either get the 16 ounce or you can buy it by the gallon, and that's 22% off. So those two options are there for you as well. Moving along, Griot's Garage. They don't have a ton of deals going for Prime Day, but they do have their extra large PFM edgeless drying towel. This is a twist loop drying towel, my preferred kind of drying towel. Let's see here, 15% off, bringing you down to $38.24. Now I sell similar towels on my website. Let's see here, the Dreadnought, $30. It's a completely twist loop towel. That thing's fantastic. Dreadnought XL, $34.95. So starting at $34.95 for a 20 by 40. Let's see here. We also have the Liquidator from the Rag Company, right around that same price point. So, although that's a good deal for the Griot's Garage one, I would actually probably skip that and go with either the one, buy something. There's other options that are cheaper. I have them available on my site. They're not on sale and they're still cheaper than this, so keep that in mind. Going on to some regular 16 by 16 microfiber towels. These are from Chemical Guys. These are great towels. I can't remember exactly what the mixture is, 70-20 or 70-30 or 80-20 for the GSM count. I can't remember either, but I remember they are fantastic towels. They have a silk banded edge, really nice to use. I like these a lot. $21.99, so the 39% off. And that is correct. I actually checked that price on Chemical Guys' website. Their normal price is $34.99. So at $21.50, brings you down to $1.79 per towel for a 12-pack. Good deal. I would check those out for sure. Next up, we're moving into another machine, and this is going to be the VacMaster 3-in-1. So this is a vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and extractor. This thing is awesome. I've done some reviews on actually this specific unit, and I've also reviewed another one from the Hart brand, but this is the exact same thing. They're made by the same company. And yeah, fantastic deal here. 19% off, bringing you down to $160. If you need a carpet spotter or something like that for your car detailing business or just at home, this is a great option. It's not heated, but it's nice because all the controls are right at the handle to turn on all the functions. Great little unit there, $160. Next up is the Adams Mini Air Cannon. Guys, I use this thing all the time. I really like it. Now, I do use a traditional leaf blower as well to dry off the large surfaces of the vehicle, but getting into all the tight spots, because this has such a narrow cone, it does a phenomenal job. It also has a heating element in it, so it heats up the air that's coming out and helps to dry everything out faster. I like this thing a lot. 22% off, bringing you down to $81.49. Next deal up here is the barrel blade from Autofiber. This one's a little bit of a touchy subject for me. I sell this on my website. I do not sell it at this price, so I'm kind of taking business away from myself here, but I wanted to bring this to your attention. This is a phenomenal deal. The barrel blade at $35.96. It's 20% off. This thing's awesome, guys. You can bend it. It fits behind all the brake calipers and everything. It's nice and thin. The head of the unit slides off so you can clean it. But the best feature about it is it has a button closure, so it stays in place when you're using it. Some of the other ones that have removable microfiber pieces slide around quite a bit. This one does not. It stays perfectly secure. So I love this thing. I use it every day in my detailing business. At $35.96, guys, go buy it on Amazon. It's a great deal. I think that's pretty much it for the specific detailing products that I have for you right now. Oh, here you go, the Scrub Ninja Max, that's normal, yeah, pretty much normal price. Never mind. But we do have a couple of other deals I just wanted to highlight for you. Because it's Amazon Prime Day, they're Amazon branded items. Like Blink is, I believe, is owned by Amazon. But for security, guys, I just bought a new house and I'm setting up security cameras and stuff in my garage and all that kind of good stuff. Keep an eye on your precious vehicles. So good deals here. Basically 50% off most of these. For Blink cameras, those ones are really cool because they're battery operated, or at least the majority of them are. So they're wireless, and then you don't even have to plug them in. So really, really easy to install. And then Ring also, 45% off, 50% off, 40% off, 66% off. So really good deals there as well. Moving right along to a couple of Apple products. Again, guys, these are very, very important in the detailing business. An Apple Watch, right? Right now is, let's see here, 28% off and 30% off, depending on which ones you go with. But phenomenal, phenomenal deal there. I use this all the time as I'm working and detailing cars. I can see text messages and phone calls come through my phone. I can answer, through my watch. I can answer them there. Awesome, awesome things to have for your detailing business to be more efficient. So at those prices, the 30% off is fantastic. Apple AirPods, second generation. I use the Pros, but the second generation ones are fantastic as well. 30% off, so you can get them for 90 bucks. Again, you can answer your phone calls through these. You can listen to your podcast and everything while you're working, music, good to go. Let's see here. That looks like it is it for the first video of the Amazon Prime Day deals. Guys, I'm going to be updating things as we go. I'm going to be keeping an eye out for all the lightning deals and things like that that are time sensitive. So make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications so you see these videos come up. But stay tuned. We'll have more Prime deals coming up soon. Enjoy your day, guys, and I will see you on the next one.